It's day one for your employees. As they hustle in, your IT and HR teams need to huddle up with multiple departments to equip hires with everything they need. But with multiple teams involved, a lot of back and forth checks can slow down your onboarding processes. Not anymore. With Freshservice's Employee Onboarding module, onboard your hires in a single click. You can set up a seamless onboarding process for your stakeholders to contribute and collaborate quickly. So, how do you set this up? Setting up the onboarding module is a simple 4-step process. Before you get started, ensure you have all this information in place about your onboarding process. Let's get started with Step 1. Add stakeholders by customizing their personas to suit your need. The first stakeholder you add will be the initiator. For example, an HR manager is an initiator. Define which groups your initiator belongs to and the form they need to fill out when they raise a request. You can add more stakeholders to your onboarding process. When you do so, keep in mind these simple steps. First, when stakeholders are added after the initiator, an email field is automatically added to the initiator's form for the stakeholder. You can go back to the initiator's form and define the field's properties if required. Next, when you define the form your stakeholder has to fill, add fields from the initiator's form. This helps you add more context about the hire. Now, it's time to proceed to Step 2. You would want to provide your hires with the right onboarding items based on their roles. To do so, you can bundle these items into kits for specific roles. Either choose one of the existing kits or click on Build a Kit. Define who will need the kit and pick items from the service catalog. Choose who can view and select the items, and voila! Your onboarding kit is good to go. Yay! You've made it to Step 3. An onboarding request usually has multiple items and tasks which have to be fulfilled by various teams. You can split and assign tasks by predefining tickets, which will be created as a part of the onboarding request. You can create a child ticket. Add the groups it has to be assigned to. Add fields from your onboarding forms. And the items that should be fulfilled as a part of this ticket. You can also edit the parent ticket similarly to suit your needs. It's time for the final step. You can configure how your approvals work with respect to onboarding requests. Map the respective fields from the initiator's forms to route auto approvals and approve emails to the right stakeholders. Choose to trigger approval emails. The requested items are marked auto-approved by the selected stakeholders if they are referenced in your approval workflows. Yay! Your onboarding process is now in place. Go ahead and try the Employee Onboarding module today.